Yes, I'm so happy to know that you're still sticking with me. And in this video, I will demonstrate how to find and replace text, numbers, names, and so on. Maybe in your data set, you have IDs of other items, product ID, student ID, employee ID, and many other IDs out there. And then you probably made a mistake and need to replace one of the IDs or more of them. So we'll handle that here, and probably you have it names of people, but there are some characters like these that shouldn't be, like these that shouldn't be, these and these. So how do we handle them? So let's go highlight home, find and select replace. Okay, that is that, but you can use Control H and that box will come out. Now, this is not the character I'm interested in. The first character is the hash character. Replace all. For all the rows that have hash, that goes away. All done, we made two replacements. Good. As you can see, this place is empty because I do not want to replace it with anything. All right, the next character is this 0 instead of an O because there's nothing to replace. Have replace all, and one was done. You can see the name changes to that, and here we have at, and that shouldn't be. Control 2, at comes out, replace with nothing or blank. There you have it, and then we have this character there. We insert it, replace all for every of the row that has that character. So as you can see, our data has been cleaned up using the find and replace. Now let's look at this side, the ID. Okay, probably someone has left and or I made a mistake with the ID and I want to change this to ID2. So I simply come to this box, find 203 and replace it with 202, 202, and there you have it, 202. So that's how you can perform find and replace. Thank you for sticking with me. Please encourage me by subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you.